Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is the tumors of oral cavity. This topic we will discuss in 4 sections. In the first section we will talk about the benign tumors of the oral cavity, which will be papilloma, fibroma and pyogenic granuloma, haemangioma and lymphangioma, torus and other benign tumors. Then in the second section, we will discuss the premalignant lesions which are before the malignancy or before the malignant tumor. So it's the stage between the benign and malignant, and it's the pre-malignant lesions. And the topics which we will discuss in this section will be the cystic lesions, leukoplakia, histology and clinical features of the pre-malignant lesions. In the third section, we will talk about the carcinoma of the lip. What are the sites of cancer in lip and oral cavity, local and lymphatic spread of the carcinoma or cancer of the lip, and also what are the different investigations and the treatment options. Then in the fourth and final section, we will talk about the carcinoma of oral cavity. And in the oral cavity, because we already talked about the lip in the third section, we will discuss about the lip. So the remaining parts of the oral cavity, which will be the tongue, hard palate and floor of the mouth, all these cancers will be discussed in our fourth and final section of the lecture. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about the tumors of the oral cavity.